guys, it's day 3 here in Boracay and naligo na kami. Hindi ko dala yung DJI ko, so I'm using my iPhone at this moment. So we're having breakfast, ham and egg, cereals, wala pang order. Hi guys, it's our third day here in Boracay and last full day na din kasi uuwi na kami tomorrow ng hapon. Lalabas kami for lunch. Late na, actually 1:18 na. Pero late din naman kami natapos mag-breakfast earlier, so yun. So later magpaparaw sailing kami. I'll try and bring you with us.
Sorry, di kayo makakasama, guys.
Yung DJI kasi hindi ko magagamit, pero I'll try to take videos using our digicam and yung phone para masama ko yung konting clips dito sa vlog. Okay? So, yun. We'll see you guys later. And look at my braid. Ang kate niya na. My God. So, yun. Okay, bye! Tagal na person. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang tsura ng aming accommodation dito sa Piccolo Hotel. So, ito yung room namin. Superior room with full view yung Binook. Binook ko through Agoda. Ayan. Pero ito, hindi naman pwede gamitin. And it's under reconstruction and renovation as of the moment. Kaya hindi pwede gamitin yung pool. But yeah, that's it. Guys, look at this. Scallops with lemon curd. Did you like it? Beef salpikaw. Dapat plain ang sangre. Sarap. Your coffee and tea cafe. So we're here to buy the calamansi muffins.
410. O-order na para bukas pick up.
On our way to Paraw Sailing. Ayan ang mga a-attend ng binyag. Sorry. Kami ang mga ate ng binyag, guys. So, it's 4:46 in the afternoon. At, yun na nga, 4:46 in the afternoon. Tapos, in an hour, start na yung sunset. So, hindi ko pa alam kung paano sila dito. Pero sana maabutan naman yung super nice na sunset. Ito na mga ate ng binyag, guys. Kasal pala. Ito na ate ng kasal yan siya. Oh. Wow. Perfect. May-ari ng Boracay. Mag-thank you ka sa Boracay. Sponsor ng damit mo.
Ha?
Mag-thank you ka sa Boracay. Sponsor ng damit mo. Kain na. So, it's day 4 here in Boracay and paalis na kami, guys. Paalis na kami. So, our flight is basta 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. today. So, alis na kami in a while. Mga 10:30 na. So, kasi sasakay pa ulit na i-try. Tapos, magpapuntang port. Then, mag-jetty pa. And then, try pa ulit to the airport. So, we're flying via Katiklan na. Hindi na kami babalik ng Kalibo. So, yes, it's been a great trip since Kalibo trip namin, nag-ati-atihan and everything, tapos nag Boracay pa. So, Everything's been great, and watch out for my next vlog. We're going to
Baguio!
bye-bye!
Bye!